In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Toyota Camry. It's located behind the glove box. Start by opening your glove box, lowering it down, and on the right side, looking at it, you're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen it and take it out. Put your screw down by your side, and now you're going to pick up a little and pull this away. And when you do that, you're going to let it go so it's not hooked up anymore. Now you're going to push the two sides of the glove box inward and unhook them from the lip on the inside. Take out whatever is in there, if you have anything in there. Back here, you're going to see the cabin air filter door. There are two tabs, one here and one here. You're going to push them in and then pull out the whole tray. You're going to get that wiring harness out of the way. Now we're just going to push the filter away from these little tabs that are holding it in. I'm doing this over the trash so I don't get it all over the place. And you're going to want to take a note on which way the filter is. As it says pointing up, the new filter has an arrow on it as well. So we're going to put our filter with the arrow up. I'm going to push it in and then push it in on the other side. Get that snug, and then you're going to push it in under this tab. And this one, you can straighten it out, get it flush using a flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's flush in all corners. And we're going to put our tray with filter in and line it up. Just make sure you get that harness out of the way. You have a little wire to pick up and get it out of the way too. And then you're just gonna push it forward and it should click into position. Make sure your harness is connected to these two areas. Ours wasn't, so we're just going to install that. That way it's out of the way for the next time you change your air filter. Now we're going to put our glove box back. Our glove box kind of fell off, so we're going to reinstall. If yours falls off, to reinstall, you're going to slide it back onto these two things right here on each side. Push up and pick it up. Alright, so push your glove box all the way up and then put your hinge back together. Put your screw in. Tighten it down. Doesn't have to be over tightened, just a little snug. And put whatever you took out of your glove box back in. And shut the door. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.